Oh, it's that mirror that makes you look wide.
Oh, look! Someone's spinning! Guys, look! Guys!
Oh, how many have I done?
Guys!
I lost track. I think I'm at 5.
Come, look!
One's glasses are
I look
falling
like
off
a stupid baby.
What?
Look,
Are you talking?
I'm so fat. So fat you are.
I know, I saw. It's minute number 2. How many are you doing, Pen? You alright, Revy?
Already again?
I had to do one more. Oh, actually, yeah. It's late.
Why? You're gonna freeze!
There you go. Does that feel good?
My hands are cold.
Yeah. We want to go get food. We want to go get bagels. We have to do the bagel dance on camera.
Dad, come here. You're upside down right here.
I am?
No,
Okay.
you have to see it.
Okay, let me do 5 burpees real quick. Take turns. And then it's my turn after Rev.
I haven't had a turn
Okay,
yet.
Zay, we'll take turns. And then it'll be Rev's turn. Oh yeah, one more spin for Zay. Okay, 1, go. Watch out, Mom. Don't get kicked.
That's one.
Okay, now it's Rev's turn.
And I'm going up fast thing.
What fast thing?
This.
Which one, the teeter-totter?
No, not now. I don't need any help.
Which one, Zay?
Where am I going? I want to
What?
I want to be cool.
Okay, just 1 sec.
Can somebody... Dad, where do you want to leave? Hey, the yellow ones are over there. Those yellow... I know, but my hands are cold.
Put them in your pocket, Zay.
I want to...
Zay, can you put them in your pocket?
I want to
Put them like this, Zay. Put them in your idea. Hey, Bo. Ravi! Hey! Zay! Hi, Zay! The last one.
Maybe you cold?
Last one. Rev and Zay, should we go?